Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the currency in Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to change the currency. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top left, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Simply click on it. Once you do, these things will open up from here. Lots and lots of options. But let's worry not. What you guys need to do is simply focus on this preferences button right here. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the page we are looking for. From here, you can change the currency, app language and everything. Right now, all I want to do is change the currency. So I'm gonna click on it right now. Now select the currency of your choice. Let's say I'm gonna select this one right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we change currency in Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.